How to change birthday on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your birth date or birthday on Twitter. Now it's quite simple and quite easy. Simply open up the Twitter app and make sure you're logged into your account that you want to change your birth date of. Once you're logged in, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can see a little profile icon there. Tap on it and here you'll get varieties of options as you can see. Simply tap on the profile option here and under the username on the profile you'll be able to see your birth date right here. You can see mine birthday here, born 15 July 2000. Now to edit or to change your birthday, what you need to do is tap on the profile edit profile option that you can see on the screen. Edit profile, scroll down below and you'll find your date of birth. Simply tap on your date of birth and again tap on date of birth. If you want to remove your date of birth, simply tap on remove date of birth. If you want to change it, tap on your date of birth and you'll find the option or notification popping up, edit date of birth. Simply tap on edit option and here you'll be able to change your date of birth and simply tap on continue option at the top right corner of your screen. And once it continues, simply tap on save option and it'll ask you for confirmation. You are confirming that the date of birth you entered, and simply tap on confirm and your date of birth will be changed and you can change your birthday. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.